Slabtown Tours. And a number of my friends said I should do virtual tours. The problem is, even though it's a stay-at-home situation in Portland, Oregon, out here in the industrial wasteland of St. John's, on the entry point to the road that would normally lead to Kelly Point, it's a little noisy. But we found a safe sidewalk to get here, and we're now at the grave site of the pioneer, Mr. Ramsey, on one of the original land claims. Ramsey used to go hunting with Ulysses S. Grant. Ulysses S. Grant ended up being the general for the Union Army for the Civil War. So Ulysses S. Grant met Mr. Ramsey, and Mr. Ramsey served over at Fort Vancouver. As you can see and hear, your toilet paper is on its way. It is coming. The whole walk here was a non-soothing experience. Mr. Ramsey, it has been said, had 4 Native American wives. All of them were once buried here. Mr. Ramsey was buried here. His home was a little cabin at Chimney Park, his original land claim house. It is understood that when he died from smoking in bed, a week before, his neighbors who lived over on Swan Island saw the fire and were able to take a boat across the Willamette to save him. The night that he died, there was too much ice in the river for the neighbors to get to them. So they came and arrived the next day to find his house in ruins. So he was 70 years old. He led a good life, and it's an adventure from Slabtown Tours. Cut.